Is this one? Is it?
I don't know.
I haven't trust directions to a woman, am I right? Whoa!
Sorry, I entered this far from a kitchen.
Sure this is the right place?
This is definitely it. Brendan said the Knuckle Sandwich Cafe, 7 p.m.
Shut up, idiot. Someone's going to hear you.
Jail for life, jail for life. Twice a year you'll see me caught in strife, jail for life. Every morning they beat me up.
And now, declare the clink closed.
How you doing? We're here for the, meeting.
Meeting? I don't know about any meeting. Oh, the AA meeting, yeah. You just go through there and it's turn right when you see the room full of this scary-looking people.
No. We're here for the, winked as good as a nod to a blind bat meeting.
The super secret.
Look, Brenda gave me a password and I can't find it.
That's good. Did you get to do your makeup today as well? Any ideas on how we can get in, guys? Yeah, well, we're looking.
Get your tits out! Why be pretending that he doesn't have any?
I want to see yours.
Whoa, hey.
You shouldn't just be out
Got it.
through the curtain.
It's not that simple. If you read this, you are gay. Brandon, that's not even funny.
That's the password. You just go through there and it's the room full of the scary-looking nervous people. I'll just go to the cellar.
Right. Siblings! Assemble!
They were there the whole time.
Alright, gotta get some
Alright. Carbonara and I are going to go in the front way, make a lot of noise and distract everyone, and then you sneak in the back way and stay quiet, alright?
Aye, sir.
You're going in the same way.
I declare this meeting open.
This place closed. Geez, can I get a break?
Regardless of her, the meeting is open at 9:05 in the PM. Or for those who requested it, that's 6 o'clock AM Mars time.
Introductions and apologies. Please state your name for the record.
It's a me, Mario, and it's Luigi, and your boss, the princess. It's a pleasure.
Donna Weasley and her brood, of course. Apologies for my son, Fred. He couldn't make it. He didn't make it! That's too bad, Donna. I'm Monica Strati. And the Castratis!
Don and Brandon Brando, and the three oldest Trapellis.
have been called to deal with the police and their recent interest in our respective families.
That's such a shame. Fortunately, Mara and Luigi keep me well protected. I've been kidnapped in almost a week.
Now, as you know, usually this is no concern. But now the police are trying to use our loved ones as prawns in a game of sea monsters. Only the other day I caught 2 policemen trying to use my youngest children against me.
My greatest fear has always been that my children will be exposed to crime and betrayal by someone other than me.
It is a dangerous precedent. Like, why would the police suddenly conduct their investigation so vigorously?
An excellent question, Dr. Strati.
One way up to answer in this very room.
All right, doors are closed. Nobody's getting in or out. Unless they buy me a drink.
Nellie, what is going on?
The past few weeks, since the downfall of the Zucchini brothers, the police have made a much more concentrated effort to penetrate us.
We have no idea why. We had no idea why. Until now.
We found some clues at the scenes of the crime.
Observe, if you will, no clues found at the scene of the crime. I like that paper.
We found this subway VIP card, apparently unsigned. However, we discovered that it was signed very badly when we found this receipt. A receipt for invisible ink.
Purchased at none other than Jim's low-cost mafia supplies.
Jim's low-cost mafia supplies.
Another one plays all the things you need.
It's your very own mafia supply store.
A very own mafia supply store. Remember, if it ain't Jim, it's probably Jack.
That can't be the case,
Unless the police are in fact in this very room.
How'd you get in here? I thought the doors were locked.
Well, hey, you bought me a drink.
All right. We will each be interviewed until we can find some answers to our satisfaction.
Using a series of clues found through the interrogation of the suspect.
Just walk your bowels.
Using a series of clues found through the interrogation of the suspects, we will then employ a process of elimination to discover the criminal. Well, it's bad criminal.
only one family produced interview strong enough to break us, and you're all dead.
The interviewer will be my governess, Miss Maria Vendetta.
So, who wants to be first? Very well. Who should I torture a confession from first? Princess.
No, it's not me, Mario!
Oh, mamma mia! Not in my meatballs!
Oh, not there. Anywhere but
Everywhere? Well, it wasn't them. Who next?
Castrati!
Castrati? Very well.
Yes!
Oh, this was recently dry cleaned.
Oh, it'll come out in a bit of scrubbing and cold water. Lift it! Well, just one left. Have you ever thought about losing 10 kilos from the neck up?
Please, not our hair. Not our gorgeous digital locks.
We hold the secrets of the world in our hair. Stop, please! It was us.
Louisa Lady with the subway VIP card in my garden.
And I would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you meddling kids and your childish meddlers.
How'd you get them so quickly?
All that time that we spent playing cops and robbers really helped.
Oh, never mind the fact that you caught the criminal who's been screwing us over. How did you guys get in here?
Alfredo Carbonara stuck us in.
And we listened in on the whole thing.
Snitch.
Maria encircled everyone with her dagger.
Children.
Children,
Just
I'm so proud of you! Using your skills of deception to deceive me for my own good.
Yes, excellent work, children.
Excuse me. At first this felt kind of good, but now it feels uncomfortable.
Now, it would seem that after the Zucchini brothers were taken down, the Weaselinis had a brilliant idea. They thought they could bring us down from the inside. They were wrong! Okay, I declare this case closed.
Okay. Meeting adjourned at 9:15 p.m. I'm missing MasterChef for this. Come on.
Alright. I now officially declare the knuckle sandwich back in business. All deals strictly over the counter. What do you think I am? Some kind of crook?
Come on, what are we gonna do with these traitors? I'm so mad I can't even modify my nouns correctly.
No ideas?
don't worry about it, Don Brando. We'll take care of it.
We were put through such horrible tortures because of that. I think it's time
To return the favor.
Ah!